Yeah, good morning everyone. Welcome to SAP ABAP session. Today we are going to cover this 213 session. Okay, like a quick revision, we have done the introduction, fundamental tables and tools, and completed. After systems, like a message class, messages, types of messages, SC 91 introduction. Okay, what are the limitations of these text symbols and why? Because it is global repository object so that you can use it anywhere. Because text symbols cannot be used in other programs. So we have created our own message class, how to search for message class and all explained. Then now we will go to yes, how to what exactly the behavior of information success error warning about short dump messages are also completed. Today we will extend that with today's session. We will keep 1 hour only. Okay, that is going to be 200. In this 1 hour, we will learn the remaining syntaxes. Okay, of messages, and yes, we have to cover how it differs in range exceptions. What is static and dynamic message concept? Okay. What are the limitations of static? Why dynamic is introduced? All those stuff we'll cover. Now, hmm, so we'll open SC91 in one session. This is RZ IVK underscore message class, right? Your so this red color is designed by them only. It is not a kind of error. Automatically it will display in red color. So you can keep it in display mode, safe side, so that we don't edit by mistake. Like if you go to the usage part SE38, that is RGAVK underscore program underscore messages, right? Messages. This is the top program name. Like so simplified program is this, right? So we can accept input as the message type. Based on that, we will decide, okay, like how it behaves. Okay. Again, quick revision. Information message displays in a special screen in model dialog box with the text. The text is coming from the message class. This is because of this I behavior is like that. It will allow you to proceed to the next screen. That is right statement result. You will find it there. Status or success message, no special screen, will display in the list screen status bar with green color tick mark. Error message display in a special screen with red color exclamatory mark. Okay, it will does not allow you to proceed to the next screen. You have to come out of that. There is no point of displaying right statement output. Same as with the warning also. Error and warning both are same with respect to selection screen. Then now we have about and X. About message again it's displaying a special screen with the cancel title with the dialog box, right? That is your it will display with a message text. Okay, that is called as about or abandon message, exit message. And you have to come out, restart message. Then going back to the this one X. X stands for mm, X stands for termination message or short dump message. Okay. Whenever you write message type X, it is always rises section. Message type X so that it will display in a other than these 6 letters. If user entered some Y, Z, something like that, any left letter, you will get a message as a invalid message type. Invalid message type is displayed into which one? This one. Yes, this is the one. Because if all the things are failed, it goes to the others, other than these 6 letters. It will print this message text with type E. So, what exactly this syntax is? So, I'll continue with this notes. Suppose, because however we are covered here, okay, syntax to display message without using message class. This is very simple and straight. Wherever you want to use message followed by some message text. Message text can be any, that's why I'm using angle brackets between less than greater than. Any the text can be anything, but it must be placed in single quotes. Then next you have type 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 followed by single quotes. Okay, capital letter we have to type the message type. So that is your message type. Okay, this is overall like mm, message syntax. Message syntax works in this. This can be freely used at any place. Example, we will just do comment over here. I'll comment this code. Okay, I will. Yes. Otherwise, you can keep it. So suppose here I am writing message space test message test message type I single quote capital I. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is test message, information message, success message. Then after that, success or status message, error message, warning message. Then again, we have message type A and message type X. Okay. So you can write openly these all messages. But let us see now, time being, I'll comment this so that to avoid confusion. This is your message. So double syntactically all messages are correct, right? So now if you execute, first it is showing information message, then followed by directly it is showing error message. because once you come back, that means it is going to, okay, yes, like one after another, we will test. First, how does this information message appears? Information message, special screen, text message. Because you have to know the independent behavior of this. Behavior is most important. So go to, for every change you have to activate, type yes, single quote capital S. So it is, since there is no write statement, the status message appears in the status bar of the same screen itself. Right? If you go to error message appears in the next screen. Okay, red color status bar, exclamatory mark. Correct? That is our observation is same. Then error, after error, comment error and uncomment warning. Test W for warning. Now execute. Warning and error both are same. You can come out by using any one of these icons. Okay, right. Then last, about or append message. So this is your A. A displays this cancel title, stop and exit. It will come out of the restart the mechanism. So the advantage is that in exit message, it will always restart, because in interview question or written test, they asked which message restarts. Actually, auto restart happens by using, yes, you have to come from the beginning again, you have to type the T code, come to this again, re-execute it. Correct the error first of all. That is your about or append. But exit, exit also seems like restart only, but it will take you to the runtime error automatically. Message type X is always goes to the message underscore type underscore X underscore X underscore text, right? This is all about your overall messages. You can individually, wherever you want to freely, we can use it here. Why I said free? Because there is no message class involvement. Even though you comment this message, also, it works. There is no message ID involvement. Still it works, right? It is no syntax error. Check. And next, generally, what we will do is that you have this one, right? Message type I. This hard coded messages, we will always convert it into, double click on test message. We will go to text symbols, will create it. So activate text symbol automatically create by forward navigation. Yes, this is, will remove this by using text hyphen 001. Text hyphen 001. Right. Now, yes. So two types of message, message, test message. Yes. This is test message, continue again test message. That's it. So because directly writing hard coded text in the program is generally not recommended. This is alternative. Okay, we have covered that also. But now there is a this type of message ID writing is a old style. But what is latest style? Alternative style. Alternative syntax. We will proceed with this. That is nothing but another type of syntax which frequently we use it. That is syntax to display message along with the message class. Okay, message class. That is So message is a keyword, space, as usual, message T for type, message type T, and message that you can call it XXX or NNN, 3-digit number. That is your message number, and followed by immediate bracket. Yes, you have to, yes, this is actually NNN. That is 3-digit number. You have to say that. Okay. So here, in bracket, you can immediately write the message class name. Message class name. Okay. So you have to remember that here it is what is represents T represents message type, and the next NN, okay, message type, and next NNN represents message number, message number, like that. Okay. So now we will use this example. What exactly it is? Suppose we want to go to this example only. We want to discuss. Yes, I will just copy this case. Okay. Mm, just we commented the above message class, that you have to remember it. Control C. Then next. Okay. Hmm. We will again uncomment it. Okay. Uncomment it. Yes. This right. This is what is this? This is example program using message class with report statement. Okay, report statement. That was the example. First example, right? Now we are going back to this is example program. Same example program. Okay, without using message class with the report statement. That is either you delete it or comment it. Same, both are same. Like this is the requirement. So I commented, right? Now we'll go to this example. So the behavior remains same. What you can do is simply bracket, okay, because if I syntactically check, it is giving error 49 error. What is the error is message I triple zero, immediate bracket you can give Z avk underscore GAVK underscore MSG CLS. Correct? Check. 49 gone. Now you can go to uh, 50, 52, paste. Okay. 55, 55 paste. Then yes, W 58. Now 61 now. Right. This is the approach. Errors gone. So this is your alternative approach. You can, because what exactly the limitation? The limitation you have to understand first of all. Because if we are specifying, okay, specifying message class with a report statement, what happens? Yes, we are allowed to use only one message class related message or concerned messages. Isn't it? Okay, because you are adding at that level. That is, but if we want to, we want to display message from different message classes, it doesn't work. That is why, hmm, that is why we have alternative syntax. What is alternative syntax? We can use, we can use hmm, this one. We can use message class immediately. Okay, message class along with message statement only. This is the technical reason you have to know. Because why are we using this is this. Okay, right. Now, yes, we will go to like yes, because we'll remove this about append and all not required, because this will go to dump again. That's not required. We'll keep it. What is the advantage of this type of messages? It will behave like earlier only, as usual. Correct? So, as it is, it will work. If you want I, yes, it's same. Okay. If you want a yes, that is same. Okay, status bar message. And last E for error message. It works in this way. Yes, W for warning. It works in this way. Like both are same. Other than these two letters, if you go to Z, it will display the yes. Okay, right. Now, okay, invalid message. This you will get it as a default. Okay, but now you suppose we were going to the what is the advantage of this one is if within the same class, okay, we can make use of different messages. That is nothing but suppose message class, okay, within bracket immediately. Let's take this example. We are using one message class here, right? I can use another message class like this. Message I triple zero of VA. That's it. Okay. Message IS 100 yes, 100 of me. This way we can use it. Okay. So immediate bracket. Here you have to see, I behavior, how I behaves, S behaves, E behaves, W, A, and so this is the, so double click on VA. Double click on VA. It will take you to the VA. Yes, VA 000 is not there. No message is there. We go to 001 because nothing is there. 001. 001 VA I 001. We click it. Yes, you will get no address was selected. If you go to S1 100 me, S100 released code something something. Okay. So if you go to execute it, yes, first information message, no address selected. Even we are allowed to use all built-in SAP provided things directly. We can use it here. And even we are getting this release code also. This is alternative. Immediate bracket, you can use the message, right? Then I am going to the another message that is nothing but message of, okay, something like E anything, E020 of ZAVK underscore message class 1 suppose, class 1. So this message class is not yet exist. That is, it is not yet, not at all there, first of all. If it is not there, what will be the behavior? Execute. It is showing error message with message class, and that is, we are not getting the appropriate text. So, what is the problem here is message class can be created by forward navigation also. I'm extending the statement. Yes, this is your general. I'm coming to the main line. Message class can be defined, can be defined, okay, directly in SC91 that already known to you, but indirectly by forward navigation. By forward navigation. That is, okay, message class can be defined by using forward navigation. So what is that? Double click on message class, double click on message class. Yes, this is your message class name. Message class does not exist. Do you want to create object? Yes. So now this is your test message. It will point to the, because with this that is not exist, you can create it. Double click on 020. It will take you to the 020. This is test message of GAVK MSG class 1. Right? See now message class 1. Right. Go back because activation not required. Only check. Now yes. Execute it. So it is, yes, you are getting the message text because that depends. See, message double click, it will go to this message class. 020 against whatever you type it, it will simply bring and display. If I want to display the same text in different ways, yes, it is up to you. No problem. You can display it in same I also. What next? Yes also. E also, W also, you can. That is, so you are allowed within one program, you can use bracket. Bracket advantage is that, see, do remember this is commented as if it is not there. but do not comment the report. Report followed by period should be there. This is basically system generated. The remaining is ours. Okay. So the second step is this. Within bracket, you can use the message class name directly. Message class name directly you can use it. This is most of the cases we will work with this one only. Directly within bracket, we are going to use the message class name. Okay, clear? This is one of the example which I am going to comment it out. Next, we have to know certain other syntaxes are also there. Prior to that, I am going to cover system fields, system fields related to messages. Okay, that is MSGID. SYST structure component. SYSYS, SY message ID provides message class name. Message class name. Okay. SY MSGNO, it provides message number. Message number. SY. So we have message class name, message number, message TY. Message TY is message type. Message type, and again say message MSG V1 and V2, V3, V4. Total 4 are there. V1, V2, V3, V4. Yes. All these things are important. Yes. So now let us see now. This is your V1, V2, V3 and V4. Right. Now, like let's go to the SC11. SC11. SYST structure. Go to data type SYST. SYST structure. There you type okay MSG ID. MSG ID is it provides the message ID. It can be character 20. The message class name can be up to character 20 length, 20 characters length. Message number, suppose message number is this MSGNO, that is your num-c3, that is fixed. So it is nothing but message number is, it is 3-digit number, only digit, 3 digits number. Okay. Now we'll go to the message type. Message type is nothing but this one, MSGTY. This is your character 1. Message type is, it is only one character, character 1. That is message type. Then go to V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay, these 3 are over. Now V1, V2, V3, V4. These are all related to this. So what is this message is character 50, character 50, character 50, character 50. That is, this is your message variable text. Okay. It provides message variable text up to character 50, 50, character 50. This is your first one. Okay. Second, same. This also the same. Third one also same. And fourth one also same. Okay. Provides message variable text up to character 50, 50, 50. Right. These are all about your message class related, message class related messages. Okay. Right. Okay. Now, yeah, we wherever we want, we can use these system messages, because if you want to test this, like we can use, okay, write, okay, psi msg id, next write psi msgno, psi msg ty, yes, okay, that's all. Then go to psi msg v1, that's it. So now let us see. Yes, this is your like system is providing, okay, system is providing this, because currently what is active, yes, what is active, this is active, right? So I 001, yes, 00, this is your va is the message. 001, no address found, but it should supposed to print the no address found. Why it is not printing? We have to see V1, V2, V3, V4. Otherwise, yes, it is split into total. Yes, we'll go to V1, V2, V3, V4. No address was selected. Yes. So we'll convert into yes. We will see now. So it is showing no address selected, but in fact, it is not fetching. So if you go to debugger, we will see there is a another way to fetch the data and print it. Yes. That's what we do in program. That is your message ID, message number, message ty, v1, v2, v3, v4 is not filled by default. Correct? So the best way to get the data, the text, okay, is this. Okay. What is that? Select, we will go to, yes, uh, yes, data, because you have to know that data LV text type string, you write it, no problem. So select single, we have to go to which table? Yes, this is the table. SC11, you are already familiar, because all text stored in T100, right? T100. So you go to here, if you give E as English, and this is as a VA, and 001, then you will get the no address selected. So that means if you want to select it, go to text, select a single text. Yes, you have to know that select query to fetch the data. Select a single text from T100 into LV text, where is important. SPARS equals to EN, or you will write psi langu. Psi langu is system logon language. Automatically it will take psi language. Okay, and what next? We have, that is SPRSL. Sorry, this is SPRSL. SPRSL, and next we have ARBGB. ARBGB. ARBGB equals to, that is your message class name. So single quote, capital letter VA, and the last one is message number. Message number is 001 MSGNR, and MSGNR equals to 001. Right, that's it. As usual, we know if psi sub RC not equals to 0, we have, yes, we will write okay, simply message you will write like this. This is your no data found. What is relevant here? Type E is relevant. Directly E. E for error. Okay. Always now sub RC till now I was handling with the write statement, but in fact it must be handled by message statement. Yes. Now below is write statement LV text. Yes. Okay, clear? Yes. This is your way to handle the message. Execute it. No address was selected. Whatever we brought it. So how does it works? Yes. This is your way to work, because actually sometimes, yes, we have to develop in this way. So this is your LV text is empty as such. LV text is empty, correct? So now after this query, we have to write three combinations must. So we have to check the sub RC. Sub RC is 0. It was filled with no address selected, and it goes to else. It will print the value and this. Then this is your overall like way to get the data and print it. Okay. Sometimes what we can do is we will concatenate uh, message V1, V2, V3, V4 message. That is part 1, part 2, part 3, part. We will concatenate and print the message. That is also. So what is this? This is fetching message text from P100 table. That is another this approach. Okay, you are clear, right? Because how to write the select queries and all, we'll have a separate topic. No worries, I will introduce. But time being, if you have a doubt, I can tell you very simple, quick thing. If we go to SC16, SC16N particularly, so here I'm just giving English, and this is your VA and 001 execute. You are getting this output, right? Message text. So here system generated the query. Display uh, selection criteria. Yes. This, this code, this code you can copy it. Yes, they are giving the same sequential number. So if you want, yes, this is okay. Select star from T100. I will tell you up to maximum rows into bypass buffer and all later. So where clause can be written in this way, where open close bracket and logical end. When you write logical end, what is suggested? Better you close the logical end. Moreover, here they are recommending that use this. Okay, yes, this approach. Yes, yeah, yeah, yes.
So in that query, where is the variable, sir?
No, that is where is the variable? That means in the select query, you mean to say, right? Actually, that means this is a correct doubt. So there is no into class, you mean to say, right? Into actually into corresponding table target. That is system implicit, it will generate, it will fetch the single row. Okay, single row from T100 and a single complete row information, place it into target. So this target itself is this. In target itself, it is going to fill it. But this is not the complete full-fledged query. As it is, if I copy this and paste in our this one, it doesn't work at all. Because target name, we have to declare it. Target name, we have to declare it. Why this lower limit, upper limit, this is, sorry, angle brackets are given is, you have to, yes, suppose if I copy this, I want to use this in my program, I will take it to no problem. We will use this as a separate program, right? Like we have to go to data WA underscore T100, okay? WAT100 type 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 T100. We have to use this. Okay, after that, paste, paste the query. Paste, okay, which was not copied appropriately because of mm, something I have not copied. Copy, okay. Otherwise, we'll come from the beginning. Select, yes, 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 yes. Now it is copied properly. Come here, remove this, and paste. Now, paste. Select star from up to rows, you leave it. Bypass buffer, you leave it. Into corresponding fields. This target should be this. Work area, yes, we'll keep this totally will replace by using work area. Where condition, into into table, we don't use actually into table because into corresponding fields of table is required because we don't have target as a this one. So one second, we'll remove this because I don't want to disturb the above code. This is one set. This is another set only for our R&D purpose. Now into, you can keep the period over. Still it will work. What is the problem? Into corresponding fields of WA. Correct. Yes, one second. Syntactically correct. Okay. Then what is the problem? Select star. Yeah. The issue is something different. We are tried single. That when you write single star, error gone. Because there is a when to use single, when not to use single, and all I'll cover in later. Because time being, I'll write single in the second stage, second single star. Right. Yes. So now, okay, we can go for this again. Oh, 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 right. So, mm, as it is, right. Theta, we want to print it. You can print now by using this one. What there it is not LV text. We have to print by using WA underscore T100 hyphen what? SPRSL first one. SPRSL, right? So new line SPRSL second. Here it is WA T100 hyphen ARBGB WA T100 hyphen, okay, message number WA T100 hyphen your text, right? Yes, this is your, yes, code. So you will get output. Check. Yes, English VA 001 no address found. Correct. As it is, you got the same line or not? Check here. Same row information. English VA. Check our program output is same or not. So this is the approach. So you have to know because going forward you will come to know what is that. So it will system generate. Okay, this is you have to declare with complete table so that you can use that compatibility. Like suppose we will go here in the debugger ones, program execute debugging, because available only 4 fields, right? This is your, okay, message. We will directly point to this place. Okay, yes. Now, double click on this. It is empty as such. But can I check say message? Okay, message type. Yes, message ty. You can check message ty. Message ty. Yes, this is type yes because it is showing say MSG number is this 001. Say MSG ID is VA. That is whatever. Say MSG V1. V1 is empty. Because why it is showing S0001 is we are already crossed this statement. We forgot to comment this. That's why it is capturing because these variable values changes where you are checking at which position. Now it will change. Okay, see here it is select query. After select query, yes, it is not changed because this is true. If you go double click, yes. So most of the common mistake what we do is SPRSL is EN you have to, yes, E you have to pass. You cannot pass within single quotes. EN is not working. So if you go to here, write statement, it will print all the things, then output. Done. Go back. Back again. Go right. Here, mm, like what I want to tell you is that even in our previous code or this code, you cannot use en here. En leads to yes, error. This type of warning you got it immediately. So you will get error stating this was selected. Huh? How come? So we got error. Generally, it should leads to dump SPRSL because of okay, fine. Generally, it is care one. So input should be yes. We will give single letter only. Just psi langue also. What is psi langue? You can go to this one and check psi langue. SY because it is most commonly used. SYST LANGU. Langue provides the one way is language key of the text environment. Obviously, we log in language English only it will show. So this is your LANG1. LANG1 is language 1. It will print 1. Okay, that's about your overall small topic. But actually, there are some other syntaxes are there we have to cover. Yes, this is so. What is that? Fetching message text from T100, right? Okay. This is another explore. Okay. So this is another set of clear. This both are more or less same only. T100. Generally, backend system fetches data. This T100 data for us. Okay. We don't generally write. Yes. Okay. V1, V2, V3, V4 is we can we can concatenate we can concatenate net okay uh, v1 that is msg v1 comma msg v2 comma msg v3 comma msg v4 okay msg v4 result into target variable yes but target variable must be declared with char 200 because it should hold all the yes we will do it this explicitly because going forward I can show you because if the message is not fit in single variable it will split into four uh, different variables that's why we have to use this okay so that's all for today's session because so this is freely usage we covered and again how do we use the immediate bracket message class usages and all then okay how to create yes most of the cases will create uh, message class for by forward navigation by double click through and you have to aware of this and next when project begins mostly you are working with sd module a bapper so they are already created one message class or else they will suggest you this is the naming convention you create it so we don't create hundreds of message classes we create one for sd one for one for pp one for fi one for qm and all hr module specific because one message class can hold up to 1,000 messages if after 1,000 After crossing 1000, then we required alternative, right? So most of the time, this is when they will give you the coding guidelines. At that time, they will tell you which message class to be used to save all of your developments related. Okay, yes, or else we can ask which message class together, but don't create too many messages for uh, each message purpose. You don't create message classes. Too many message classes are also leads to confusion in the project. Okay, so that's about our overall topic for the today. We'll continue by tomorrow. Okay, thank you.